You are welcome to this class. This is Master A online tutorial. Many persons have asked me to prepare a video on this topic, trigonometry, most especially some of the problem you find in your project too. And so this is one of the questions. Just pause the video and attempt it. Hope it's very simple. Well, let's look at it together. Right, you are told to prove that the square root of 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta plus the square root of 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cosec theta. Now, what you do in a case like this is that you compare the left hand side and the right hand side. The complex side is what you focus your attention on. When you look at it now, which side is your left hand side? When you stand now, you discover that here is your left hand side and here is your right hand side. The left hand side is more complex than the right hand side. So we are going to focus on the left hand side. Now in this left hand side, let's solve it and see whether we'll get this at the end of the day. All right, so this is what you do. So just take the LCM of what you have in the denominator. What I'm saying is that you can rewrite it as the square root of 1 plus cos theta over 1 square root of 1 minus cos theta plus the square root of 1 minus cos theta over the square root of 1 plus cos theta. Now, what you have here is fraction. So you all look for the LCM of this and this. Now, the LCM of what you have here is the same thing as the LCM is the square root of 1 minus cos theta and square root of 1 plus cos theta. Though when you apply difference of two square, this will certainly give you the square root of 1 square minus cos square theta. All right, but let's leave it like this first and see. This is now this what you have at the denominator, which is same thing as square root of 1 minus cos square theta. That is applying difference of two square. So when you use this now to divide this, remember it is 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta that is involved here. So when you use this now to divide, it means you'll be having the square root of 1 plus cos theta. So this one, square root of 1 plus cos theta will leave this place. Now we multiply this. So when you have square root of 2 times square root of 2, all you need to do, just pick that 2 without the square root. Pick one of the 2. So the same thing here now. So the square root of this times the square root of this, just pick one of the, but they are the same number. Pick one of this without the square root. So what you are now having is 1 plus cos theta. That is what you have here now. Then plus. If you use this one now to divide this, remember it is this and this that give us this. If you use this now to divide this, what you'll be having is this. Square root of 1 minus cos theta. So you use this one now to multiply this. What you have here and what you have here, they are the same number, the same thing. So just take one without the square root. So this times this will certainly give you 1 minus cos theta. Ideally, it's supposed to separate with bracket sign, but because we just have plus and minus, the signs will still remain. So we'll just leave it as that. So this is what we have. Thereafter, we'll now have plus cos theta minus cos theta, that is now 0. So you have 1 plus 1. So you are now having 2 over the square root of 1 minus cos square theta. That is what you now have. But remember that one of the trigonometry identity is that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And if that is the case, if I make sine square theta the square of formula, we have 1 over cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Now, if I remove this square from here, I'm going to square root this side. So I will now have sine theta is equal to the square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now, when you look at it now, it means what I have here, I can easily come and put sine theta because sine theta is equal to this. So I can put sine theta here. So this will now give me 2 over sine theta. But you and I know that one of the reciprocal of trigonometry is that sine cosec theta is equal to 1 over sine theta, whereas sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. And if that is the case, meaning that I can easily move this as 2 times 1 over sine theta. And so 1 over sine theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, I'm now having 2 cosec theta. That is what this now gives to me. Then you now check the right hand side and see whether what you have here now is what you have there. And that is what we have, 2 cosec theta. Therefore, that is the proving. So it has been proven. I hope you find the class interesting.